Hi, this is Josh Ezell, getting ready to take you on a tour of Unit 301. Now, this is one of our 2-bedroom, 2-bath units, and this one's not quite done yet. Still needs the cleaners in and just a few more details, but I thought it was close enough to go ahead and share with you. So, upon entry, you walk in, and here's your kitchen to your right. Nice stainless steel appliances, refinished cabinets, new fixtures. And what I love about all of our units is how the kitchen looks out into like the little living area. And so you got a nice bar area right out front, but if you're stuck doing the dishes and stuff, right here, boom, you're still part of the action. Now, as you can see straight out ahead is the patio. Every one of ours, except for the studios, have patios. And again, they all come with covered parking. That's a nice new paint, new flooring. Now here is the second bedroom. Nice sized bedroom. And it has decent closet and some storage. Here would be the quote unquote guest bath. Full tub shower. And then as we go straight through, this would be classified as the master. Forget the little trash on the floor again, sorry about that. Has the walk-in closet. I guess I should have turned the other way. Here is the walk-in closet. And full bath. All of our units are really nice sized, from the studio to the 1, 2, and 3 bedroom units. Don't hesitate to inquire. We have remodeled units coming available weekly, and we're running move-in specials too. So hopefully we'll talk to you soon.